What is up, everybody, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to import your skin that you created on your custom skin, or maybe even you found online. So what I did was go to Skin Creator 3D, which is right here. Most of them use this grid system. This is without grid, and you can paint. You can do colors and everything on this, which is very cool, and you can mess with it. So then you go to upload to Minecraft PE. And it should be uploaded there. Then you go back to Minecraft. You go to Profile, Edit Character. Then you'll be on this screen, but then go to Owned. Then go to Import. Choose New Skin. There we go. And then you can choose your style. I'm going to choose that one just for now. You can add capes and stuff to the character, even though it's your own custom one. And I think you could, I don't know. No, yeah, I think that's all you can add. You can probably add more, yeah. But that's how you get it in there, and then you should have it right here. Yeah. So, thanks for watching this. Thanks for getting me 200 subs. Goodbye.